So, guys, I'm back and, it's happening again. Yeah, people, we all should know by now. It's always gonna happen like this. We damn well know for a fact. Shit. Okay. Alright, Zeus Poseidon, you calm your asses down, because, it's probably a little bit too much. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I was just on that trampoline, and, the clouds went dark, and, I think you already know the rest. Oh, my. Look at all of that. Guys, a lot has changed, really. At first, I had about no subscribers, then I had 5. So, yeah. I'm going to try to post some more shorts over time. And, if you really kind of want kind of Dragon Ball Legends type content, just, go put it in the comments if you want to or not. Yeah. Bro. My bad, that's my fault. Look at that. It's just raining and it's just pouring down. Man. You can already hear the little clang thing. So, I think that thing about to fly. I will survive. Yeah, guys. Crazy. Oh shoot! Holy bro! My gosh! I know y'all hear it. Like, yeah, dang, I know y'all haven't rained. I know it hasn't rained a lot, but you see what I mean?